Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by removing the enrollment profile so the phone stops receiving beta updates. Open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management, locate the iOS beta software profile and tap Remove Profile. You may need to enter your device passcode to confirm. Once done, restart the device. This clears the active profile cache and prevents the beta channel from reappearing. Make sure you have a recent backup before proceeding, because the next steps may change installed builds and update options. Once the profile is gone and the device is restarted, you change how updates are delivered. Open Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Software Update. If a public release is available, download and install it. This moves you off the beta track. If no OTA public build appears, connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to download and reinstall the latest public iOS. That forces a clean installation. Make sure your computer has the latest OS and enough free space. You finish by confirming the device is on a public build and restoring data carefully. Check Settings, right arrow General, right arrow about to confirm the build number matches the public release. If the device still behaves like a beta, put it into recovery mode and perform a restore via Finder or iTunes. This removes lingering beta artifacts. If you restore, make sure you use a backup created before the beta, or accept that some beta-specific data may be incompatible. Troubleshooting tip: if install fails, try a different USB cable or port.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.